Okay, so that's my friend Carol. And Colleen, do you want to look the other way? Because we've got morning faces, so we're hiding our morning faces. Oh no, Colleen's going to be brave and she's giving you a little smile. There you go. Thank you, ladies. And so you got those adorable people looking like they were looking, and you get me looking like this because I texted them this morning early and I'm like, Robert is sleeping in and my van is still such a mess. I can't even make coffee. Help, ladies. So they did. And so we're sitting out here braving the morning cold, having coffee together because that's what friends do on the road. I love these girls. And yes, everybody, since my last video, I'm starting to feel better, but it will take a while. And Colleen wants to say something, so we're going back to Colleen.
I'm not drinking coffee just for my family out there that might be watching.
Yeah, Colleen, my bad. Colleen, in fact, said, you can come over and I'll make you tea. And then Carol texted and said, I've got coffee. And I'm like, ding, 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 ding. Carol wins. Sorry, Colleen. I need my coffee. Everybody, so I'm here at Rice Ranch. My friend Colleen's coming back. She's been in town, and Robert went walking around to the vendors, and I am finally getting caught up on getting my books signed, and that feels really good. And you know, I don't know what to share with you about getting real today other than, look, we are at Rice Ranch. We're in the city. Neither one of us like being in the city. You can hear the motorcycles, you can hear the trucks, you can hear all the noise that goes with being in the city. And we're here because we're going to make some videos for Two Meander, and because we have friends coming in and out that we want to see while we're here. We will need to do some coordinating with the managers here at Rice Ranch. And quite honestly, we couldn't do all of that and keep going back and forth out on the boondocking roads because we just got Fancy Free fixed, and that costs money and gas. You know, so there are some times out here on the road when practicality takes over the Instagram moments and you have to do what you can afford to do versus what you want to do. And not that we don't want to be here at Rice Ranch, but you know, we're not city dwellers and it's very noisy. And I'm getting caught up on my stuff and I'm getting to see friends, and I am enjoying that. And I sat outside earlier today and I talked for a long time with my friend Tiki, and I talked with my cousin, and I don't know what I want to share with you about that, except that sometimes I think people forget that life on the road is life on the road. Life still goes on. And I just want to share with you that if you are a newbie or thinking about getting out here and you think it's all going to be Instagram moments and that you're going to get to go wherever you want to do, wherever you want to go and do whatever you want to do, that it's still life. And that has not been my experience. It might be your experience when you get out here, but it is a good life, and it is a life that keeps me from being in four walls at a TBI rehab place or something somewhere. That I always share that day may come, but it hasn't come yet, and it's not today. And a day here in the city, getting to coordinate these things and be with my friends and talk with family and friends is a good life. You know what I'm trying to say? I hope you do. I feel like maybe I'm not saying it like I want to say it, but I'm gonna sit here today and beside the van and sign my books and get all of that ready, and then Robert and I will make videos tomorrow. We've got more friends coming in, and I'm just having a kick-back, relaxed day, and I needed that. I hope you had a beautiful day. Talk to you later. Bye.